Yeah, I bought Semler at I ended up buying it even though the spread was shit. I bought it after I started buying it here after it hit these highs. I already sold like I only have 3% of my account left in this though. I had like I don't know 7% tops. I bought Tesla today. I bought more AI. I sold down some Semler. I sold some AOI. I sold some more Affirm. What else did I sell? I sold some Ethereum. Yeah. I sold some more Qubit. No, this is going straight up. I should buy more Archer too, I think. I'm gonna buy more Archer. Okay. Yeah, let's buy some more. Do we buy more Joby yet? Yeah, let's buy some more Joby too. Easy money market, boys. I did some more things. Okay. My smallest position is actually root right now. I sold like most of my root yesterday. Oh yeah, I'm gonna rebuy this at some point. Today's a good day to short this on a, like technically speaking the chart is, but I just don't want to short it. Okay, I guess that's my Rocket Lab alert. I guess I have to buy it, dude. I have to buy it. This is just like I have to buy it. There's like nothing. Whatever, man. Just rebuying a little bit. What else did I sell? Did I sell anything else? I bought more AI. No, I didn't really do much else. I just sold, yeah. Man, this shit is going. I sold half of this around the open. This fucking qubit. But let's see how many positions do I have now? All right, 21 positions. We're nearing the top. 21 positions. This is like it's usually when I have this many positions, it's like I sold like half. It's fine. I sold the I sold most of my Semler too. I don't know if I should rebuy that. That's what I'm thinking. Because Semler is this fucking. Oh wait. Oh shit. This thing is crazy, dude. I need to sell a little bit more. I need to sell a little bit more. Because I actually got up to like 10% of my account in this for end of day. So jeez, I think I'm getting a little sick. It's just so fucking cold in West LA, man. Why is it so cold out here? Uh-oh, I spilled some coffee. Move to LA, they said. Let's enjoy the weather. But no, not on the west side. Freezing my nuts off, dude. Yeah, I know it's not actually cold out here, but for me it is. This is the one I might cut. This is right about at my entry now, this BE. Why is coin acting so shitty, dude? This is not no fun. I have too much coin. I mean, it looks fine, but it could pull back. I'm gonna. I don't get why people follow me on this, cause there's. I don't post anything on TradingView. I don't know. All right. Okay, okay. Relax, relax. AI might need to cut my ads depending on how this candle plays out. Yeah, I'll cut my ads if it breaks lows, I think. Damn, dude. This is okay, I can't sell any more AOI. I bought more. I bought more I forget which day I bought more. I didn't buy more yesterday, but I bought more in one of these days and I just held it. Because I'd sold too much at like this 24 level. Anyway, do I think there's a chance for MicroStrategy to bounce up from this? Yes, of course there is, dude. This is this is the God stock, man. I just don't know if I would be buying it now. I'd wait for a proper setup because you're seeing some like signs of topping out, right? This is a very classic short, mean reversion short, right? Gap above a key level. Like yesterday it was flagging below 500, right? It did like this double top, right? It tried to break out, failed, gapped up above 500. But see, the thing is, it's still like above these 30-minute EMAs, right? It's above these hourly EMAs. It's the God stock. This is the SMCI of this run. The super fucking liquid, large cap that just goes insane. Look how much volume it's trading a day. It's trading $10 billion a day, right? That's like you know, it's not quite as much as Tesla, but it's close, or it's a third of Tesla, whatever. Like you guys, when you guys, you'll trade things with like $10 million volume, right? It's 10 billion. This is so fucking liquid. God, this is such a good market. I don't know about these ones anymore though. I haven't tried them, but these look to be a little dodgy. Oh shit. I'm gonna cut the rest of this. Or you know what? I'm gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold it. It's not. It's just tiny. 3% of my account. I'll just hold it. I'll just hold it. It's not a big deal. Good lord, guys. How lucky we are to be trading this market. Oh, I wish I was in this. This is already a double since here. Are you kidding me? It's a triple since here. Are you kidding me, dude? All you need to do is just use the 20 day. It's so easy. Use the 10 and the 20 day. It's so fucking easy. Because every time it hits the buy zone on the daily, this little band, you just buy some. When it gets extended, you sell some. Ugh. Are you kidding me? Man, I'm losing patience with this coin, but it's above the 10 day. What's taking it so long? Is it just the congestion here? Could this be the bottom for everyone's favorite stock, Snowflake? Oh yeah, I got a nano. I got an alert for this. I don't know yet. Just wait for earnings, dude. All right, let's see the other Solana. Yeah, this is the one I should be in. I wish I was in Solana, but I'm in this Dogecoin that's not really moving. Not yet, but it looks fine. Solana's about to hit all-time highs again. Looks like I'm getting some selling. Okay, my port. This is Coinbase. I think it's fine. Maybe not the day for Tesla. We'll see. Okay, coin. Yeah, today was the day to short MicroStrategy. It's a pretty good setup, but well, you can rewind the stream. I talk about why. I normally don't short things, obviously. I'm just not gonna try right now. Yeah, this got a PR yesterday. I'm just watching it. It's finally liquid now. I might just demote these ones. Oh shit, that's not a good sign. Uh, are there any events coming up, guys? Next week we got the minutes from the last meeting coming out and Core PC. Core PC. Should I try to get off margin before fucking Thanksgiving? I don't know. I don't really want to. I think I'm just gonna not overthink it. That's fine. I sold half. Okay. I had to hold some of this. Honestly, this is pretty insane. It went through four major levels I had drawn out, right? Like that's crazy, dude. That's crazy. What Christian's tweeting? No way he's streaming, right? Because you guys would all be watching him, I assume. Dude, what is this? Negative down 5%? Come on, man. I don't want to see any tweet. I don't want to see Nathan Michaud suck Christian's dick in the replies. That's just annoying. Do I short this? Do I short semis? Dude, this is a problem. Ugh, so annoying. Okay, guys, I shorted Soxel again. Let's see. Let's see where it goes. Yeah, coin has been a dog, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. What's my Semler doing? It's whatever. I'll leave it. I'll just ignore it. See, this is why you sell some on these gap ups. Otherwise, I'd be coping real hard right now. Come on, bitch. Okay, okay. Well, let's look at these gainers. Anything going on? Nope, nope. Just this snowflake dog shit, dude. I mean, could this actually be the day that snowflake like is a buy? Do you guys think it's possible? Not that I care about your opinion, but like no way, right? This goes to 200. Okay, no, I'm covering this sock, so it's not time yet. It's not time. I don't think so. It's too soon. It's too soon. Let's look at this again. I think we need weekly lows on this, right? No, you guys don't know. No, weekly lows, weekly lows, weekly lows. 209.65. And then SMH, let's do weekly lows too. Oh, this one's better. Gives this level. Okay. Similar. Have you mentioned on previous streams how you enter positions that gap above key levels? Yeah, just watch my streams. I talk. There's a lot of different ways I enter stocks, right? The basic idea being, identify the leaders, find a way into them, or identify potential new runners, find a way into them. Really as simple as that. Lots of ways to buy them. What's my AI doing? Is it fine? Okay, yeah, it's fine. This is getting sold a bit. Was there a catalyst on Ethereum or something? This is a pretty good breakout. I don't want to sell too much. I actually sold a little bit yesterday because I thought it might close below the 10-day, but it didn't. No, there's nothing really going on. I did, if you guys are curious, I did find out what happened here. My friend who apparently there's talks of ETF, right? Approval, and then these like closed-end trusts just get yeeted. So not that it's just so liquid anyway. So I would never trade them, but if you do trade them, that's why this is happening. Isn't that funny? Closed-end trust, man. It's just so fucking stupid. Like, you should just be. I maintain this a lot. Like, you should just trade the spot if you're gonna trade something like this. Even like GBTC, back when it was the trust, like I didn't like that shit, and I don't think you guys should trade it. Just trade something that's pegged directly to something, right? Okay. Let's check my positions. We all good, right? Yeah, B looks good. Rocket Lab. All right. We chilling. In the club, we all fam, right? That's good. Okay. What am I worried about? Just coin, I think. Fuck this one. I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, whatever. I gave back some gains. It's not a big deal. I think it's fine. Yeah, I might buy it like in the under 60 or something. It's just like it's illiquid trash finding liquidity, and this always happens. Yeah, I got a Reddit alert earlier, I know. This is a decent setup. I just on the hourly it's a decent setup. On the daily you should have bought it here. So A Lab getting you there. Reddit is why is this so strong? Man, I traded this day 3, dude, and then yeah, it's been a sad game since on Reddit. How much has this been up? Let's say you realistically bought it like at best 108, right? 34%. I don't feel that bad, but it could accelerate. Like something else you guys should yeah, good job. Something else you guys should be noticing is that things accelerate, right? Every leg a real run is faster, right? Like here, like from back here, right? Oh, blah 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 blah, womp, right? Oh, we got to grind higher, and then womp, and then we got, man, I can't believe man, okay, anyway. And then he starts seeing some signs of acceleration, right? Acceleration, and then base. Tries the top of the base, grinds higher, and then fucking just, yeah, you get what I'm saying. It's Reddit highs. Just a taste. 5% of my account. 22 positions, or no, 21 positions. I cut Semler. No. What do I feel like cutting? I feel like cutting Tesla. I don't think it doesn't feel like it's the day yet, right? What do you guys think? I don't care what you think. Maybe I reduce a little bit. Maybe I just reduce a little bit. Yeah, I'll reduce a little bit of Tesla. That's fine. I'll reduce. Similar bouncing? I'm good. I'm good on this. Uh, I should probably rebuy it. Okay, why not? Is ALAB not as good since Nvidia is down after earnings? It's up to you, really, but I don't really want it. It's a really good IPO base. I mean, it's acting not bad. I don't think it's a data short semis. That's all I think for sure. Oh shit, son. No, I didn't sell enough up there, did I? Oh, it's fine. I gotta give us a chance. I just feel like there's better things to buy, you know. Maybe you disagree, but that's why. Let's you need to think for yourself, you know. Dude, NNE, really? Anyone feel like buying this before earnings though? Jesus fucking Christ, man. How many trading days? Right, this is I don't know, man. 4 trading days. Oh yeah, it's a good point. What is the actual fucking date of this? Just go to the NASDAQ site. That's where I usually go first. Has not provided us. Okay, okay. Cool, man. Oh man, what are my thoughts here? I want to buy it. It's not a chase. Your buy signal was 25.95. It's not a chase. You guys don't know what chasing means, I think. Chasing would be buying it up here, like maybe 27s on confirmation. This is still fine. This is waiting for like this first 30 minute and then seeing how it plays out. Yeah, I kind of want to ditch my Tesla because I'm running out of buying power, you know. Um, well, you know what? I gotta reduce AI. Yeah, I gotta reduce this one. Yeah, okay. Maybe I just cut this. Do I just cut this one? Yeah, let's ditch this. This is using up too much buying power. I don't want it. Let's rebuy it later if needed. I'll rebuy it on this level if it breaks back up here. Dude, how many times do I have to say I don't fucking use low of day? Okay, like Jesus Christ, guys. You guys gotta get out of the mindset of using low of day all the time and thinking like, oh, it's a long way to low of day, I can't buy it. That's a fucking scrub ass mentality. I'm gonna reduce more. Okay, yeah, reduce some more. I don't want to hear this 40% to low of day, you can't buy it shit. It's just not useful. You're just gonna be, you're cock blocking yourself if you think that that's important. Like low of day, yeah, it's important to like, you know, in certain cases, low of day might be a logical stop, but why would it be logical here? Anyway, I'm just saying. No, no, wrong alert. I'm trying to buy this at back at this level. That's ideally what I want, but I don't know if it'll let me. Okay, this is not a bad cut. Yeah, of course Soundhound does this. No one should be surprised by this kind of behavior. Roadblock, let's punt that to 2. Coin, man, I am on my last bit of patience with this one. Coin uses so much margin too. Oh wait, really? This might be the. Yep. This is shorting stocks might not be the move, but maybe shorting Nvidia is. Yeah, let's grab a little bit. Just a starter. Okay. Okay, please coin. Don't break this line. How long did it take for me to become profitable? About a year, I guess. I broke even after about a year. I don't like this price action on Reddit either. Uh, if it breaks this 30-minute doji, I'm out. Yeah, a lot of this is not looking good. I'm cutting Tesla. Okay. Damn, Coinbase, what the fuck, bro? Soxel again? Okay, fine. Let's do both. Hmm. It's only impressive because most traders are fucking retards. That's why it feels impressive. Like the average trader, some fucking Joe Rogan experience listening, Trump voting dipshit. Oh, trans people are out to get me and my kids. No, that's why it feels impressive. I'm outperforming funds. Yeah, because that's the advantage you have with a small account, right? And I'm not talking like 10K. I'm talking like low seven figures, high six-figure account. That's a small account. Your edge is being able to read where the institutions are going, right? In my opinion, that's very easy to do. Like if you're someone like Michael Burry, you're managing billions. That's not your edge, right? No, I agree with what you're saying. I'm just saying I just don't think it's as hard as people make it out to be. To like with a smaller account, it's Jesus Christ. Today might be liquidation day for a lot of things. A lot of these are looking very dodgy. I just sold more of this. Um, okay. Let's yeah, there it is. I'm cutting this. Coin later. Yep. This shit needs more time. This is the if it breaks 100K, I don't really care. Okay. Okay. What to do now? I rebought a little bit, but I'm cutting it. Let's wait it out. I think I'm a little bit scared of these cryptos because yeah, if you short, I guess yeah, MSTR topping, gapping above 500 and Bitcoin, yeah. Yeah, this is didn't quite reach 100, but this is close enough where I can call it. Let's wait for another base. Can I get in on this short though? Damn it. Is my style described anywhere? It's just trend following, bro. Just swing trading. There's nothing I do that other people don't do, right? Like I trade off of key levels, I trade flags and ranges, just you know, I scale in and out of things. I use moving averages. If you read Anna Cooling's book, Weinstein's book, and you know how Christian trades, you'll get the idea. If you read Darvis's book, right, like a lot of what I do ends up being the same executions that someone that trades like Darvis Box would do. It's nothing special. I'm telling you that there's nothing special about the way I trade. This might have been a little premature. Well, I should have waited till end of day, but I think it's fine. Let's wait it out. You can always rebuy if necessary, right? So you can always rebuy. It just kind of feels like we're going to need to base more around this level. I don't want to give up too much of my gains. I think it's okay to call it for now. I want some new blood, right? Like maybe these names get going. Ugh, they're not looking too. Do I find joy in trading? Sometimes. I find joy in gambling, so like I mean that's like part of it for me. I love gambling. I was at a poker night with some friends. Some of them I didn't know very well. And I'm not particularly good at poker. I really am not. Like Hold'em. I'm just like pretty average. If you're like talking about like people that actually play poker, on the reg, I'm pretty average, right? But I know how to play and I know how to be patient. So I was gonna win, and I felt like, and like there was one guy that was like really, he was really tilted by me. I just met him that night. Um, because I like basically I don't know what the fuck he was thinking, but he got out in like 3 turns. It was like low money buy-in anyway. It's not a lot of money, but yeah. End of the night, I ended up letting someone else win because I felt like they would have hated me, or not at least like been a little dist. Because the way I was playing, it was just like. Anyway, point is, I find joy in things like that. I find joy in winning. I find more joy in being right in a trade than actually making money. There's a lot of things like that that I realize about myself. Yeah, okay, it's a crypto short. It is. Look at all these ranges breaking down. At least for now. At least for now. be open to a reversal at some point. But like this, yeah, we'll see. But man, no, I can't say I find I can't say like this is what brings me fulfillment in life. That would be kind of sad, right? Damn, nice work on the MicroStrategy short. I was really thinking this. I mean, it's just, oh, I I was busy taking profits on things. That's what I'm gonna use as an excuse. It's pretty textbook and so liquid too, man. So liquid. Okay, this is fine. Okay. Cutting this was not a mistake. See, everything is handy dandy. Got some profit taking today, and then we're gonna wait some time and see what holds up, right? That's the idea. Your P&L is probably not gonna be what it was on the max today, but you know that's what you learn to live with. I have to be careful that I'm not too early on these shorts too. Like I have to cut these at the first if they show signs of bouncing. Because this is at now at this 140 level, right? You can see it finding support. The problem is though that hmm, yeah, I don't know. Why is this lagging, dude? A lot of these names I think I can demote. Yeah, a lot of these names are useless on two. I gotta. Oh wow, really? Hmm. Oh yeah, this one in one, and then he. Okay, this doesn't want to die. Root is in one. I can. Uh. Yeah, we buy a little bit. Why not? Who knows when earnings is, right, guys? Is SMR doing pretty well though too? It's just doing this. Yeah, we buy a little bit, just a taste. It would be nice if these crypto thing instruments can like really base for a bit, or at least tap the 10-day. You know, I don't. At least I don't know. At the same time though, this feels like a pretty big break on Ethereum. It just feels a little too short, you know. I feel like we need a weekly flag on Ethereum. And another week, like there hasn't been a weekly flag on Bitcoin yet, since like we just run up from here. You said you just follow where institutions go. Is there any specific way you do that, or just volume following? You, my friend, need to read some books and do some studying. I don't know if you have. You gotta read Anna Cooling, read Darvis, read Weinstein, read State. Like just read those books. Those three books. Weinstein, Darvis, Cooling. It's all very obvious. The whole stock market is a scam, right? There's institutions trying to buy low and sell high, and they can't hide. So your job is to figure out what they're doing. And I'm cutting these shorts because fuck that. I'm telling you, if you study enough, you'll find that you can tell when institutions might be buying and when they might be selling. If you want to look for examples of distribution, 2021 is a great example. The thing is, distribution is a lot harder to spot, in my opinion, but accumulation is very easy. Just watch my streams too. I talk about this a lot, especially this example. This is the perfect example, right? This is this on the weekly and monthly. Like I just it just can't get any clearer, man. Like you know what like just look at what I'm looking at. All the answers are right here in front of your face on the weekly and the monthlies, right? It's not always what I do, of course. There's like things like this. This is more of like a thematic trade, but like for the most part, for like names like this, right? Like oh, this is all-time highs. Like if you go back to my streams around August, I was talking about this a lot here, right? Like this is less obvious than app because there's not as much green volume bars, but this bar here, right? This is what it really tells you. And this it broke this level here. But anyway, read, man. Read those books. They have all the answers. I'm not lying to you about that. It's just maybe I should put some text on my screen. Like no asking questions until you've read these three books. It's just like there's just Anyway, okay, I'm gonna stop ranting. So yeah, it'd be nice. Oh, you know what? I haven't listened to that yet. Let me check back on it. Hopefully there's some bangers on here. It's not that long. You did read all those books? Well, I don't know what to tell you. I know, okay, I know a PDF where a fact would work. I just don't want to do that, dude, because I'm not trying to be like, man, is it inevitable that if I stream, I'll have to do that, like Chris does? Like, I don't want that. Okay, this was probably way too. I might have been a little premature in cutting these. No, dude, I'll do what I want. I'm gonna get. Look, man, if you can't, I've said this before, if you can't take some verbal abuse, you're not gonna make it in trading. I'm not actually like upset. I'm just yelling at, I'm just berating people. No, I mean, I can just ignore questions too, I guess. Anyway, hold on. I'm trying to. Should I rebuy this? I'll just give it a tight range to let's see if it breaks this. It probably will. All right, let's buy some back. Okay. If you're too lazy, maybe make a public Word doc so we can edit it like the Spotify. I'll think about that. The thing is, though, then I'll get upset if there's like bits of it that I don't agree with. But I guess it doesn't matter. I kind of suspect that this might just bounce off this level, in which case I have to rebuy it. But let's wait. This was fine. I think just buying a tiny bit back for now. How big is my upstart position? 7% of my account. Decent again. It was more, and then I cut a lot here, obviously, after the offering. I'm waiting for a proper break of this. See this shade? I don't know if you guys can see the shaded area. I don't always use this, but this is the gap, right? Or not, sorry, that's not the gap. What did I? It is the gap level. I don't know why I didn't just draw. Okay, whatever. I don't really draw these anymore that often, but yeah, I'm gonna see what happens if we can break out of there. I think I'm gonna buy more nano NNE nano the fuck whatever. Wait, now it's gonna cross this level. It's got some more confirmation. Hey, what else did I cut? AI, that looks a little better now. Oh, I did get an alert for this. Is that what it was? Yeah, it was. Okay. Let's wait it out. Let's wait it out. A-Lab. I don't know. Reddit looks fine. Do I buy more? Yeah, let's buy more. Let's buy more. Let's buy, what's Semler's? Still, yeah. Dude, is this fucking thin again? Okay, this is pretty thin now, right? No, 15, it's still, it's just high priced, so it's high priced and it's fairly thin, so it trades like this. I don't like it, but it's dollar volume liquid, I guess. Let's see, Tesla, no, this can wait. Hopefully this can break down, tap the 10-day, make another higher low. Yeah, I don't regret cutting this one. 20% on this RCAP piece of shit, really? Little known Utah supplier. Let's go to this website. Let's see how fucked up this U.S. Army Short Range Reconnaissance Program. Yeah, so this is an evil fucking company. It's Black Widow drones. Fuck the U.S. military, dude. And fuck all veterans unless they were drafted against their will. Or World War II veterans, I guess. Do I have any thoughts on reading gap ups? Like when market gaps up, is that connected to institutional buying? Do not read into it that much. It depends, right? When the whole market gaps up, I mean, yeah, there's probably like institutions buying into it. But it's also like low. It's more illiquid, right? Okay, like when an earnings when something gaps up or down on earnings, that's not retail moving it for the most part for like these liquid names. That's institutions, right? Because an earnings reaction is what? Okay, like do you guys understand like how? Okay, so like, do you understand why things move on earnings, right? So you have all these analysts working at all these institutions that have been reading numbers. It might be like algos, but it's like decisions. I'm sure it's like decisions being made on like some discretionary decisions made by either like algorithm algorithmic analysts or like human analysts, right? I don't know the state of the industry or whatever, but like things move on earnings because institutions want to get in or out of a position, and the earnings was a surprise to them, right? Like there is the projected, the estimate. There's the estimated numbers, and then there's like the internal analysts. Like they all have some kind of consensus at different institutions of what the numbers should be, and if the numbers come out a certain way, they see like this as overvalued or undervalued. That's why things will beat earnings and sell off, or they'll miss earnings or miss revenue, miss guidance, and get bought up, right? There's always something that institutions are looking for to determine whether it's undervalued or overvalued, which is also why I say that you don't have an edge of numbers. Anyway, so in that case, like Nvidia moving after hours, that's institutions. But the entire market, I don't know. I just feel like retail probably can't move the whole fucking market, right? But you don't have to worry about that. Just like for gaps ups, just look at where certain levels are going to, right? If it's gapping above a level, gapping into a level. No, you're not an idiot for thinking that. I'm just saying I don't think. Look, these are all my thoughts, right? Like I just don't think retail has an edge in numbers. That's all I'm saying. I feel like all that's been done already by like these professionals. Yeah, charts are more important, and that's where it's easier for you to have an edge. You can like look at the numbers in addition to the chart. That's what I would do. If you want to look at numbers and be like, okay, well, this is a big beat and that's why it's going, right? Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me? Yeah, I got an alert for this. Oh, let's rebuy coin. Let's just buy it, dude. I can rebuy this. I'll cut this hard stop low of day, dude. Though giving it till yeah, hard stop. Yep. Okay. Okay. Yeah, these are fine. Bitcoin. Okay. Bought back some more Bitcoin. We're good. We're looking good. I think I just got a little scared, which is fine. Okay. Buying more Reddit was good. Buying more NNE was good. Keeping Oklo, dude, was good. I actually have a pretty decent Oklo position. Yeah, morning so I mean, but you guys see like how I reacted to this, hopefully, right? Like I got short semis, and then I had to cover. I didn't take much of a loss. Took like a smidgen of a loss. Got shaken out of Tesla. Kept my Rocket Lab buy, at least, right? That's good, but it's barely any size. Should I try to get more of this? All right, rebuying coin. Should I rebuy Semler? Look at MSTR. Rebuy AI? Not yet. Not yet. What was I looking at? Oh yeah, this Dave is flagging, but is this thin? It's kind of thin, but I'll watch it. Let's do these highs. Oh, I did trade this late day. I cut it for a small loss. See this shit? I fucking hate. This is just such bullshit, dude. I bought it like yeah, here. I cut it like here, just a small piece, but like so like this isn't a quantum computing name. If you This is like a gene sequencing name, right? Biotechs are such dog shit, man. Like what the fuck? Oh, nice. Mara is okay. Mara's catching some bids lately. I also got a CLSK alert. Yeah, okay. We do highs here. Semler, really? Okay, let's rebuy this. Yep. It's back on. Just a tiny piece. I had like 3% of my account in this again. Just a tiny piece, guys. What's the low of day? 61, 63. Kerrisdale is shorting Oklo? Yeah, I know. I bought more Oklo, yeah, on that day. Actually, Oklo is my largest position. uh, yeah, yeah. Here, I'll do a, I didn't sell Reddit, no.
I'll do a rare position share so you guys can see what I actually have. Actually, no, I won't. Fuck you guys. I don't want to get in the habit. Like when I started streaming, I would post screenshots of my brokerage, but it just got too tedious. I don't want to get in the habit. It just okay. Am I happy with everything? Okay, let's rebuy AI. Yep, yep, yep. Oh my God, everything is getting bid the fuck up again. Jesus Christ. God damn, dude. Yeah, probably better to hold through AI. This is interesting. How many positions do I have now? Oh my God, that's so many. I'm gonna count them like this. Unfortunately, I only have a tiny bit of this qubit left because this is 22 position. Okay. How do I delete this list? What the fuck? You saw 20% of your account in qubit? I have 2.6% of my account left in this. But good for you. Look, I retested this level. Rocket Lab. Okay, I'm gonna buy a little bit more. Oh, I have an average like 348 on qubit. Well, I bought it into like I did like four different buys, right? And that's a wash sale too. I took an initial loss on it here. Okay, but do you remember what I was talking about here that it needed a new higher low, right? Do you remember this? And look, this is the higher low. This is what you were waiting for. You could have used the 10 minute. It's the buy zone here. Every time it touches, every time it touches this band, you can just buy some, like in a good trend like this. It's just so, it's just so nice. You bought A Lab at open. It's fine. It's breaking to all-time highs. That's a signal. I just didn't want this because I wasn't sure if semis would shit the bed today. Dude, I should have bought this. Could have bought this, yeah, not the 10 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. Let's move these up a bit. Oh no, wait. Oh, I didn't buy this actually. I was gonna buy it. I don't have this. Right, right. I only have 21 positions. No, no, my bad. I added it so because I was gonna buy it and then I think I forgot to in the open. I bought Tesla though. I meant to buy this though, but I guess I'll just wait now. I was like, what? Do I have everything I have here? Yeah, I do. Okay. But yeah, Palantir is one of the most evil companies in the world. Yeah. Yeah. Does someone have the code link handy? I have it. I did it in a snippet. But there's nothing wrong with trading these evil companies. You're just trading them. I don't have the kind of cash to like move the price anyway. It's like here I found them actually. Here's the code share. Yeah, they won't exactly. It's not like I'm buying like the an offering or something, but one of those is the band, the other is the volume. They expire soon. Anyway, but yeah, you could argue that you're helping drive the stock price up, and a lot of what the the BDS movement, right? They're getting like all these universities to divest from investments in like shit like Elbit, right? Like these horrible, horrible companies. Um, I don't think it should be the focus though. I think the focus should be like doing other things. I don't know, like direct action, like the Elbit 4 that actually like disrupted their fucking weapons manufacturing. I think Palantir and Tesla one more day, and then I can buy them. Yeah, the ICC did their is going after them. I know. It's not BS. It's just the International Criminal Court doesn't have any teeth. Because the ICC was created by the West, right, with the explicit intent of persecuting African leaders that they didn't like. That's what it's been used for. I mean, that's why, like in America, there's a Hague invasion law, right? Like if an American public official ever gets tried at The Hague, the U.S. will invade the Netherlands because American warlords and politicians don't answer for war crimes. I need to sell I need to sell something a little bit. Do I sell? I gotta sell something down. I have too much, too long. Yeah, or maybe I'm officially over 200% long. I'm 202% long. I don't like being more than 200%. Just everything looks so good. This Zillow, quiet. This is probably like my slowest name, or Geo and Zillow are probably the slowest names, right? They're just quietly going higher. Oh, so nice. This Carvana is flagging too, man. They're so blessed. This is the best market I've seen in a while. Soundhound, is that fine? I don't want to buy this one. It doesn't look bad though. Yeah, it's a nice base here. You're right. And yeah, it's got good candles, right? One, two, three, five, I guess. Dude, right here, back in February, I had a 40% account position in Sound. I bought it here, here, either here or here, I forget. And then I bought a little more on this day. So nice. And then I bought it here and here, these 2 days. Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, this stock is cursed, dude. I hate Big. Do you guys remember this? Oh, nice, it is. Do you remember this day, Big Bear AI? This day was so cucked. This day it sold off in the last like hour, then gapped up. Did I do crazy size on GME? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Because on this day, GME offered you a ton of opportunities to go long. Here, these 2 days, I got like I went like 80 to 90% of my account in GME around here. Because okay, also there wasn't that much else going on, so I wasn't really that worried about like, 'cause, I don't know. I don't think you should do that all the time. It just felt special. I had like 20% or 30% in my account on this day. The thing is, I bought it this day and I sold it this day because I thought I would reject this level. I just rebought it here. And obviously I sold it. I think I sold the most of it here and then some here. But you guys want to see this screenshot? Let me see if I can find it. I sent it to Exodus or Agogi. He asked me one time. How do I search for media specifically? So I take there's a bunch of different ads, right? Like if you look at that day, GME, I added like 4 or 5 times, man. There was a bunch of different opportunities to add on GME that day. How do I take a screenshot of how do I take a fucking Oh my god, what the fuck did I just do? Why is it I always forget how to take a screenshot? It's like Windows. Okay, yeah, there we go. Windows Shift S. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna paste it onto my GME chart so that you guys can see it. I'm gonna delete it. You guys see that? Haha. What is that? This is the sixth. This day. Yeah. 31, 28. Yeah, it made like 30% of my account that day. 30 to 40%. Or on this trade overall. Anyway, don't do that though. Not good. Yeah, yeah, you have to like sell pretty quickly, because psychologically it's pretty damaging to see your P&L, your potential P&L vanish. But I'm pretty sure I sold it all after hours or pre-market. No, pre-market I sold the rest of it this day. That's got to be it. But I kind of wanted out for the live stream, which was the right move, it turns out. Or no, wait, was this the seventh? Was after? Yeah, yeah. Okay. What was this 48 level? See this 48 level too, right? See how that level was like a major level, right? So I love this stock. It's so nice when it trends. Like you just trade it off of this 48 and this like 64 level. Live stream was this day actually, the 12th, I believe, or I think. I don't know. There's another offering. I don't remember all. Yeah, I'm trying to decipher the news. But anyway, I think it went after hours. It went higher than 48, and then it sold right back off. So when that happens, yeah, you kind of like, you got to be careful. I guess is what I'm trying to say. Well, let me see if I can go back to June 6th. Okay, let's extended hours. Yeah, see here. Yeah, see it rejected here. Rejected the 64, overshot, rejected after hours. Oh yeah, it went all the way up here, that's right. Right, right. Okay, I remember this. After hours, it went all the way to the 64 level. Jesus fucking Christ, that's great. And then I think I sold it all on the next day. Like this, like I must have sold the rest of it like here somewhere. But I sold into this 64 for sure. Because it's fucking, I mean, that's like from this level to this level, that's another 33%. Right, right. Anyway, but guys, do you see how these magic levels just work, right? Can I get 10-minute chart there? Last available bar for 10-minute, really? Oh, piece of shit. But anyway, 30-minute. You can still see it, right? How it respects this fucking these levels on the weekly so well. Right? Do you see this? 80 level 2 respected. Is that a weekly level though? Is 80 a weekly level? Yeah, 80 is also a weekly level. Sort of. It's like it's looser here, but yeah, this is. Anyway, use horizontal levels. That's what I'm trying to say. Damn, dude, what a crazy day again. Holy shit. Yep, 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 yep. All is going well, man. Nice, man. I'm up 15%. This is fucking crazy. This might be one of my best P&L. I think this is my best P&L day ever in terms of raw numbers. Not percentage, but raw numbers, yeah. Trading is easy, right? Okay. Good job. I don't know how big your account is, but I assume that's a good day. I mean, it's try not to sell too soon. Look at this shit, dude. This is like this is where generational wealth is made, all right? Like, do you realize that this is it still feels like we're just getting started. Do you understand what you're seeing here? Like, look at this weekly on a firm, right? Like, Jesus Christ. God. How big is your account? Like six figures, I assume? Low six figures or something? Yeah, UPST. Technically, I think it needs this level, but yeah, soon, soon. Rate your port? Yeah, very solid. Very solid. I mean, yeah, it's good, great port. Good stuff. Great stuff. Oh, you managed to stay in SoFi? Yeah, nice. Yeah, I mean, if you're doing well, like the thing is, it's not like you're just if you're six figures, like let's say you're under like you're under like under a third of a million, under a quarter million, right? It's not going to take you long to get to a million if you're good at this. It's like a few years, 2 years, right? Yeah, look at weeklies, man. Get into find the leaders, identify the hottest themes, and find a way into them. Oh my God, dude, this is just a constant bid in the market. I think okay, it's normal to get shaken out though. I hope you guys see this. Like, I get scared all the time. It's fine though. God, this is such a good name. Like, if you, like, everyone should have been on this yesterday. There's no excuses, man. This candle right here is a clear buy. Like, if you didn't try to buy here, man, this is so nice. But yeah, clear levels, right? Like previous highs. Like, do you see this, right? It found support there. It's just, it's not that complicated. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm up 15%, yeah, because I'm 200% long, man. Just don't worry about it. Don't worry about like the details too much. Just try to catch the broad strokes. Well, I'm 197% long. Yeah, my P&L chart used to be pretty wild too. I said this before, but there's like screenshots of it from like 2022, which is probably the year breakout year, so to speak, the bear market year. But I posted those in the Madman Discord if you're in it a long time ago. I'm not gonna repost them because fuck y'all. But yeah, I was going through like 30% drawdowns. If you have to pick to be great at one thing, lousy in two things, and mediocre in four things, what would you pick? Why one, two, and four though? What are you talking about? Stock picking, risk management, pattern recognition, execution, psychology, situational awareness. Are you trolling? I can't tell, dude. I think you. Yeah, everything is important, man. Nothing happens without everything else. I'm not gonna pick the. I'm just gonna. Everything you mentioned is important. You got to be good at everything. If you don't have risk management, right, everything goes out the window, right? If you don't execute, nothing gets done. If you have if you have shit mental game, you're not gonna be able to hold through things, right? It's just or rebuy, right? Like, there's so much is important. It's all so important. I don't think he's trolling, but it's all so important. Like if you don't have situational awareness, you're gonna keep banging your head against the wall, um, trying too many things during periods it's not as good, right? Yeah, dude, fuck Carisdale. Look at this shit. What was this? Atomic Alchemy? Sign them as power. It's all important. That's all I'm saying. No shortcuts. Also, like, are you gonna be able to put in the hours and keep doing this, right? Like a lot of people, for most people, it's better to quit while they're ahead. Are you one of the few that'll make it? After like maybe you're on year 4, year 5. I don't know. Yeah, you have to be obsessed. Absolutely true. Absolutely true. I don't do this as much anymore, but like, as recently as like last year, I would be on charts all the time. Like, I would be out I'd be out at the fucking club waiting in line for the bathroom. I would pull up charts with my phone. I dream about trading. I think about trading all the time. I think about charts all the time. Think about, I'd be constantly flipping through charts. If you think of an event, like let's say like I would let's say you see the indices react to some kind of event, right? Like election is a great example. An election's coming up. So what do? You go back and you look at how the fucking markets reacted to elections in the past. You look at what the expectations were, who won, who lost. You look at what the indices did. You look at what the leaders at the time did, right? Like that's what you need to be doing. It's just one example, right? But like if you don't know, if you think of something and you're like, "Oh, I wonder why. I wonder how this has happened in the past." You go figure it out. If you don't know how to figure it out, just I don't know what to tell you. You got to. Oh my God, this pisses me the fuck off. I just cut dipshit yesterday. Man, whatever, dude. I don't care. You need charts to finish? It sounds like you need some Cialis, bro. I'm just kidding. No, no, that's not the right thing. Not the right. That's for maintaining an erection. All right, I'm glad I rebought this. I feel like today was the lower high, or the higher low, I mean. Oh, I don't have enough root. That's what I don't have. I only have 4.9%. Like whatever. Okay, guys. That's it for today. It's just been a long stream. Hopefully everyone's raking it in. Later, guys.